Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to a brand new episode of the Most Wanted Travel Series. Right now we are here at the DoubleTree Hotel located in Johor Bahru, right? So me and Janet today this morning we actually make the journey down from the north from Kuala Lumpur, and we drove all the way 3 hours down to Johor Bahru, and this is our first time staying here in Johor Bahru, and also our first time staying in DoubleTree property as well. So we have been showing you guys a few Hilton properties before, but this will be our first DoubleTree properties video. In this video, we will review about this property located in Johor Bahru. So right now, let me show you the room tour. Right after the room tour, we also will show you some facilities that offer. And at the end of this video, we will also tell you where are we heading next and our point of view about this property. So this is how the building looks like. It's actually an L shape, and they have 24 rooms in one floor. So I believe this is the biggest room, which is the suite, and the room we are staying is actually this one at the corner one, so you actually get a bigger size as well. Once you come in from the entrance, this is the corridor where on the left hand side you can leave your luggage over here, and on this side it's actually a two-sided mirror, very nice, for you to check yourself before you get out from the hotel room. And inside it's actually the usual stuff, right? You have extra pillow, you have some iron board, and inside it's very basic. So the other side is actually connected, the other window over here, and here you have your safety box, hanger and stuff, right? And over here, right here behind it, it's actually the bathroom. So this is the basin. This is the basin area, right? You thought you have a glass, but it's not see-through, so it's a little bit dark, but I like the lighting over here. The mirror they use is exactly the same mirror as Kuala Lumpur Hilton, and the amenity as well, they are using Cap3, so it's exactly the same brand as Hilton as well. So I believe this is quite standardized. And one thing, the shower room here actually reminds me of Courtyard Bangkok. Exactly the same style, exactly the same size as well, which is quite nostalgic. And here they have some plugs, power point, and also button for your speaker, and bidet sprays for those who really like bidet spray. This is definitely a hotel for you to consider. We actually got a free upgrade to the king bed deluxe room. We actually booked for a double bed, but they upgrade us to the king bed, which is quite nice. Very sleek TV over here. I believe this is a brand new TV, so if you look from the side, it's actually very thin, so very high definition TV, which I really like it, because this is the only time where I can enjoy some movies in the hotel room. So let's see what they have in this cupboard over here. So they have some tea, English breakfast, and also green tea. I believe they don't even have a coffee machine, so they do provide some 3-in-1 coffee, instant coffee, some normal mini bar stuff over here, and I believe this is the fridge. Okay, let's see what they have in this. Alright, it's totally empty, but at least it's working, right? So I believe that's the good thing. And they have kettle here as well. So upon check-in, they don't have welcome drinks, but they do give you 2 cookie, one for every person. And I heard this is their signature cookies. When they give you, it's actually from an oven, so it's actually still hot and fresh. It's actually very compact, but we actually get the corner room, so you actually get a very nice view of the Johor Bahru cities over here. So this is the view from our room. It's very beautiful, located very strategically as well in the downtown of Johor Bahru city. So as you can see, the construction is going on here. This future will be a train station, and this train station actually the train connected to Singapore directly. So next time if you plan to visit Malaysia and Singapore, right, you can basically do a day trip just by taking this train in and out from Singapore, right? So this location is actually just 5 to 10 minutes away from the Woodland Custom, so it's actually very close to Singapore. So if you can see the bridge over there in middle of the 2 building over there, right, that's the bridge to Singapore, and the high rises building over the other side, that's basically Singapore already. And here you actually get the view of the swimming pool as well, which is quite nice, right? Although the weather today it's not perfect, it has been raining for the whole day, but I will say this view it's definitely pretty awesome as well. So right now let's check out the gym and the swimming pool. And here's the gym. From the outside it looks really bright, although the size of the gym is quite small, but I would say the equipment they provided over here is very new, very well maintained, and everything is in place as well. As you can see over here, they even have some yoga mat, and the view is actually overlooking the swimming pool, so it allowed sunlight to come into the gym as well. And right now let's check out the swimming pool. This is the swimming pool area. So although it's located right in the city center, but the environment is quite peaceful and chill as well.
So as you guys have known, we have always been a huge fan of Hilton properties, and staying here in DoubleTree property for the first time, it's actually matches our expectation like a Hilton any other Hilton properties. But for this one, I would say that it's very decent. It's very much like a business hotel. So if you happen to be here for a business trip, or even you're here with your kids, your family, you can stay as well, because they do have nice amenities like swimming pool for your family to enjoy. The reason why we're here in Johor Bahru this time is because we are here to play in a really nice golf course that we have always wanted to play in. Heard that it's really beautiful. We can't wait to show you. So yeah, if you have been really following us for quite a while, you should know that we picked up this hobby, and we have been really going around to review golf courses here in Malaysia. We can't wait to show you the golf course and how beautiful it is. So stay tuned for our next video and see where we are heading next. And if you like our video, if you like our hotel review series, right, really appreciate that you actually watch us all our hotel reviews, because we take them really seriously, because it's something that we wanted to show you guys in every different destination, and how what are the best hotels to stay. Please let us know if you have any hotels that you would like us to review, and of course we will see you in our next travel video. Bye.